standing between two podiums, led by J.L.P, Jamaica Love Party, and the other, P.N.P, Party Not Perform. Jamaica election debate, just turn dancehall clash for real.
Ring the bell again. If I win, I legalize oxtail. Tax free.
My fellow people, how will you school and teach y'all how to dodge bills?
Fix the road with pothole tonight. For only sentimental value.
I'll give every Jamaican free Wi-Fi, but only in the bushes.
I say, if me win the election, me get every community swimming pool. Even if you live on a hill.
My people, we don't need no pool. I'm building a road straight to heaven.
Me fix the crime problem. I just announce me not announce it yet.
Fix it. Crime rate got promotion. Men gone from picking pocket to see hee ho. Every 5 years, same drama. Promise load, performance quick. I saw a vote or I saw a joke. A time for start vote with the brains and not with vibes. But me still want to hear what you think when the clash still. If politics dey funny, would I run for Prime Minister? Follow Transporta for more comedy, for real like election stress. Vote for laugh, vote for truth, vote for Transporta with the comedy gun.